Hi, this is John Monson, and welcome to another edition of the Grey Goose and the recovery from the crash that it unfortunately suffered a few months ago. As you know from the previous video, we first had some metal to remove, and here we are now with even more metal removed, but some reconstruction done. By the way, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, but also send me some comments.
This is the old sheet metal here. This is the right inner wheel housing. This here is the wheel arch. These are the upper apron inners on the inside. This is patched on the drip rail panel here. It's trimmed out. Here is the other side for the inside. So all drilled out. Here's the back. The gas tank here is damaged, and that's all been drilled out. New piece is spot welded in. There's another patch panel here. This is a patch cut out. New one is in place. We're starting with kind of a duct here. The starting point. Quarters, of course, come here. Sheet metal also comes with the gasser opening. We swapped the Le Mans style gas cap to the this is the starting point.
So at this point, the rear panels have been fitted together and modified, particularly the smoothing off of the rear bumper, because the Goose doesn't have any rear bumpers. And at this stage, the boot lid and the rear panels have now been offered up. They're not fixed, but they're going to be spot welded, but the main thing is to line them up at this stage.
Okay, so we are process now, working our way around this. Here, quarter. This is all welded in. This is the piece that we had made. All the things have been welded. We've got the back end squared. We've got all the metal in here. It's all new. And the arch, the hump, all this stuff we're finalizing. We welded everything from the inside, both sides here. So we are in the process now of lining all this stuff up. You can see here. And we're lining up the depth on the doors and whatnot. So that's where we are right now. We'll be fitting the tail lights and doing all the body work, but we'll have the Goose back. Just a quick video of what's happening. The welding's done up here. Here, be interesting for us to follow the lead work that we do on the roof panel here in the trough. The fit of the hatch, which is off now. They're doing some more welding on the seam here because it is getting no bumpers, which hide this section here, which is usually concave, is usually in. Fortunately, this one here we were able to work when it was off the car. So as you can see, we've got a consistent flow. These cars, then I'll walk over to one here in a minute and show you the curve. The license plate area is all good. We still have to do the bottom spot welding tomorrow. Underneath here. And we go to the next one because I'm going to run out of space.
So as we move along, you can see that in the rear boot area, the new metal's been spot welded in crossways. And remember, when the car was hit, it damaged the fuel tank, and that's had to be replaced completely. And the wiring has gone in for the fuel pump at this point. So we're still, as you can see, working on this with the internal welding from inside the lead to smooth out the panels.
Alright, so today we're going to paint all of the inners where the IRS will go, so we can install that, and then we can wheel it over to the body shop. We got all the seam sealer done, all the bodywork, priming, final prep work for paint. I'm going to be sealing, base coating, and then clear coating, urethane, and seam sealer. Sealed, dry, and then we'll base coat.
And just like that, we have the underside almost back together and painted so that the IRS can be fitted and the car can come down on wheels and make everything else a lot easier. I'm going to follow up with some further videos, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and watch the car hopefully come back to the way it was before it was hit. Take care.